I'm Mudira, and I will be explaining the function of the Storm Room application, an application that has been built to solve the major issues of Gripple, which is creativity, innovation, and facilitating that innovation, as well as staying ahead of the game, ahead of that competition by storing all that. We'll have a login page specifically for Gripple employees, certain locations like France, US, UK, Germany, Spain, and India for all Gripple employees, and a username and unique password to make sure that data is secure. So the app will have certain functions that it serves: a database room, gaming room, achievement room, whiteboard, prototyping, and diagnostic. All of these are meant to aid the creativity within the company, culturally bring people together, and have a safe space and a secure place, especially for data accumulation. The database will serve as an online library, more especially used for the prototyping and diagnostics, any kind of ideas, faults, and any problems to deal with their innovations, their creativity, and just storing them up for any future innovation.
My name is Pemo Andrek, and I'll be taking you through the whiteboard, the gaming, and the prototype and diagnostics rooms. First of all, we'll start with the whiteboard room. So, noting Gripple's challenges with collaboration and teamwork, we have created or conceptualized the whiteboard room. This was inspired by Apple's freeform platform. So within this whiteboard, employees all over the world are able to input their ideas, their suggestions, and give feedback on whatever's happening within the company. So with this whiteboard, it works in two ways. We have a clear whiteboard and we have existing whiteboards. Also, within this whiteboard, you are able to access different whiteboard facilities across different stores. Moving on to the gaming room, we have designed a gaming room within the Storm Room application. This is meant to enhance collaboration, teamwork, and friendly competition among the workers of Gripple worldwide. Within the gaming room, we plan on embarking games such as mind games, puzzles, simulations of outdoor adventure, and various mind games in general, which are all meant to stimulate friendly competition and collaboration. So another room we incorporated within Storm Room is the prototype and diagnostics. We have mentioned that this is an online learning resource. This is a learning resource that is meant to enhance collaboration. For it to teach, it has to be able to learn. So for the workers, they are able to access the diagnostic room, within which they are able to analyze or to examine the challenges they're experiencing. As seen here, we have inputs of the challenges or problems you are facing, resources available, your goals, what constraints do you have, and what are your end goals. So within this app, we also have your history log, which is designed to be able to store each and every search that you have conducted. This is meant to keep the learners, the workers learning from their research. As you can see on the screen, we have the history tab, which is under diagnostics. Moving on, we have the prototyping room. Under prototype, we have three categories. You have your sketching, you have your creating, and you have your history. So, as we have mentioned, prototyping is very, very expensive. We aim to reduce the cost of prototyping by simulating them through AI. So, the first step is to sketch. You enter the sketch room with whatever idea you have, and you're going to design it here. Having perfected your design and ideation, you're able to take this process and then move on to the tab where you actually create it, you bring it to life. As also mentioned, the final tab is your history tab, within which everything that you've prototyped is stored there.
And finally, we have the achievement room, a room that is meant to acknowledge all the hard work that Gripple employees have put into their innovations, all their creativity, a lineup of people's pictures. All their badges and reward systems will be shown here to acknowledge every single effort that has been made for the progress and the innovation necessary for Gripple to stay ahead of the game. Thank you.